Hi children, how are you? I hope you are fine and you are safe and you are eating a very healthy food at your home. By taking all precautions, you are safe at your home and you are spending your time with your siblings as well as your parents. You are learning a lot of things at your home. So, today I am going to teach the science, class 4 children. Science, subject is science and lesson number 3. Let us, because we have already started the lesson number 3, that is animals. What is the spelling for animals? A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Animals, how life goes on. How life goes on. Okay. How life is going on for the animals, that we are seeing in this chapter. Okay children. So, we have already learnt about the mammals. Okay, mammals, the animals which give to their young ones are called as mammals. Okay, so which is the smallest living animal in the world, which is mammal, that is kitties, hog nose bat. Please note down it children. Kitties, K-I-T-T-I apostrophe S. Kitties, hog, H-O-G hog, N-O-S-E-D nosed bat. This is a smallest living mammal in the world. This is the smallest living mammal in the world. Kitties, hog nosed bat. Okay. So, mammals generally they give birth to their young ones. Okay children, and the beyond the mammals, the animals which can lay the eggs. So, the animals which lay the eggs children, what are those? Those are like birds. Okay. So, birds, what they will do children? They are laying eggs. Okay. Before going to the birds and mammals, as we can see, so before going to the birds which they lay eggs, first we are learned for the mammals. Okay. Mammals, they take care of young ones, they protect from their enemies and they feed them, and in the human beings like the parents and the grandparents, they are take care of their grandchildren also, right? So, it is in the case of the human beings. But what about the other mammals? If you see the hen, if you see the birds, they take care of their eggs. Yes, that is in the birds. Okay, the birds lay eggs. What they will do children? They lay eggs. Lay eggs means, okay children, now this one, laying eggs. So, if you have seen an egg, this is particularly it has shell and most of them they are white in color, but the color varies in few of the animals. Okay children. So, not only birds but other animals like reptiles, lizards, frogs, fishes, even they also laying the eggs. Okay children. The mammals, they suck the milk from the blood from the mothers, okay, as we humans do. Okay children. So, in this lesson we are going to learn about the animals which lay eggs as well as animals which lay eggs and animals which giving birth to their young ones. They are called as mammals. Okay children, as in your textbook, open the page number 157 children. So, we have completed this page number 157. Please open this page number 157. Here this you can see that kitty's hog nosed bat, that is the smallest living animal. So, this one, even the whales and dolphins are also the mammals, even though they are living in the water, but they are, whales and dolphins are giving birth to the direct young ones. That is the reason they are mammals. Okay, next one, Here they are take caring of their young ones, as we have learned that they are taking of them, they are protecting them from the animals, and they hunts for the food, they guards them, they protects them. Like birds, if you see the birds, they are going to the all the environment, and they just collecting the grains, and they are feeding their young babies, right? You have seen that, okay. Even in the human beings also, the parents are take caring of us, yes. So that is also very good, yes. Next, so some animals lay eggs, like birds reproduce by laying eggs, okay children. So now we are going to learn about egg, okay. How the egg, see, if you can see this picture, if you see then picture, this is the yolk, this is the egg shell, this is albumen, okay. In this, in 21 days the egg is converting into the chick that comes out within the 21 days, okay children. So now just we go through this diagrammatic part of an egg, okay children, yes. So what are the different parts of an egg, okay. First one is shell, then yolk, and then albumen, okay. Later we will learn about the other animals which other egg laying animals, which are different one, which are like eggs, reptiles, fishes, okay. Then we are going to learn about the life cycle of a cockroach, life cycle of a frog, life cycle of a cockroach, and life cycle of a butterfly, okay children. So that we will complete into next part, okay. Today we are going to see the diagrammatic part of the egg, okay children. Yes. So children, this is the diagram of an egg, and you can see how this is the outer part is called as eggshell. You can see the outer part which is in white in color, okay, and it is a hardest substance of this egg, okay. And the middle one, in which you can see the yellow part of egg, that is called as yolk, Y-O-L-K. Please learn the spelling children, Y-O-L-K, yolk, Y-O-L-K, yolk, means the L will be silent, okay children. Here the eggshell, what is the spelling for eggshell children? E-G-G, egg, S-H-E-L-L, shell, okay, eggshell, okay. Next one, albumen, A-L-B-U-M-E-N, albumen, A-L-B-U-M-E-N, albumen. As you can see this one in your textbook also, page number 158 children, page number 158 you can see for the first class 4 children, okay children. And later we will learn about the life cycle of an egg, life cycle of an cockroach, and life cycle of a butterfly. For these, if I found the animation video, I will keep that. We will learn in the textbook itself, okay children. Take care children, bye.